Tina Servis coming at you here from Lead Titan. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about our campaign for getting Google reviews from clients that have given you internal feedback. So sometimes I have clients who get feedback from their clients through their other systems, like maybe they're using a routing or a scheduling system and they're already getting that information. And maybe they're not getting a lot of reviews triggered off from those feedback cards that they're currently getting. So what we can do is we can pull that data through a couple of different ways. And once we get the data into high level, we can take that information and determine if it was positive or negative feedback. Once the feedback comes in, if it's positive, we're going to send them down the path of leaving us a review. And if it's negative information, we're going to send over an internal notification to your office staff. So the first thing that we do is we're going to have a trigger up here. And the trigger can really be a number of different things. So I wouldn't get hung up on this. For any of my clients that are utilizing Lead Central or Jobber, we're typically just pulling that contact information in here through a mail parser and a Zapier. And then we're going to check to see if that person has a Google review tag. If they already have the tag, we're going to remove them from the workflow so that we're not asking them again. And if they don't have the review tag, we're going to send them down this path. And we're going to determine if we had positive feedback or negative feedback or low feedback. So if it's good feedback, we're going to send them down this. Please leave us a review, and we're going to do a review request. Hey, can you please leave us a review? We're going to send them an email as well. Then we're going to wait a day, and then we're going to wait to see if they actually clicked on the trigger link that we set up. If they clicked on the trigger link, it's going to end the automation. If they did not click on the trigger link, then we're going to send them another message. And then we're going to wait and send them the link, and then we're going to remove them from the workflow. So this is a very short Google review request. Typically, if you are in a recurring business, like a maid service or lawn care, you don't want to bug them too many times, primarily because most of them are set up on either weekly or every other week service or monthly. So if you just ask them once or twice after they had service or that review, that's enough. Another option too is, and it's not demonstrated on this one, but you could wait, say like they did leave you a review. So like maybe they have a tag. You can put a wait step in here that says, has it been 6 months since, their last service and the last time they left a review? So if it's been more than 6 months, you can send them down this path again to leave you another review. There's nothing saying, Google doesn't say anything about multiple reviews left different times. So like if you you can use the example of going to a restaurant. So maybe this time you went and it was excellent service. Maybe 2 months later you went to that same restaurant and it wasn't good service. You can change your review. So just keep that in mind. And I hope this explanation was helpful.